Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can make your Motorola G23 louder. So there is two ways for it, by the settings, so we have to open the settings of course. Then go to the sound and vibration and look for the Dolby Sound apps. Then tap on the settings and click allow. Then, how you can see there we have a few equalizers, and just choose the loudest one. You have to check it by yourself and keep it selected. You can also go to the custom and just slide up all of these sliders. Now just go back and that's it. But if that way it's not enough for you, you can also try to download a volume speaker booster app. This is the name of this app, so go to the Play Store and install it, then click no thank you 3 times. Now close the window and tap OK. Then you can manage a volume booster power by this little slider. If you want to turn off this feature, just click on the stop service and OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.